Yeah, hi, we are from svsembedded. The project title name is AI driven Agentic IoT smart alcohol detection system using ESP32 and MQ3 alcohol sensor. So n8n automation, Telegram voice alert, ThinkSpeak alert, Gmail alert, Google Sheet appending. So in this project we are using MQ3 alcohol sensor, AI thinker board. So we are providing the Wi-Fi hotspot internet to this module, 5 volts power supply module, and alarm 16 cross 2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5, red LED, green LED, 12 and 13. This is our total block diagram of the project. So this is our hardware project. 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, ESP32 AI thinker board, MQ3 alcohol sensor, 16 cross 2 LC display, red LED, green LED indicators, and one alarm. And here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Okay, smart alcohol detection system using ESP32 and MQ3 sensor. So we are taking the Wi-Fi hotspot from this device. So this device is connected to the mobile hotspot internet. Okay, project 1234 we are using. So go to hotspot. So here hotspot device is connected, mobile data on. Okay, done. Okay, one device is connected, mobile hotspot connected. Okay, ESP32 module. So our main sending the data to n8n. Now this device is sending the data to first webhook to edit fields. Edit field means it is separating the data. So sending a data to Telegram alert, HTTP ThinkSpeak alert, Google Sheet data appending, and if alcohol set point crossed, so now it is sending the data to Gmail alert. Now AI agent create a voice audio to Telegram voice file. So Telegram it will send the voice file. Okay, so here first we are using, so first it is webhook, edit fields, Telegram alert, HTTP alert, send appending data. So now we will go for first Telegram alert notification. Now every 10 times, every 10 counts it will send the data. Again it will go to the sheets appending. So send them sensor data, value, status, date and time. So if it is normal, so 400 below normal, safe. Above 400 alcohol detected, date and time. Now it is ThinkSpeak. So if it is a normal value, if red below normal, if this is red means danger condition. So now we are getting the email alerts also. If it is a normal condition, okay, there is no email alert. If condition, if alcohol crossed, then only it will send the alert message. Okay, so now I am taking the alcohol. Okay, alcohol I am taking, alcohol detected 400 above. Okay, now we will get the first email, first data coming to web sheets. Now data coming to here 400. Okay, yeah, we are getting the email alert also 411, and we are getting the voice audio.
Alert, alcohol level high 411, take immediate action.
Yeah, here also alcohol ThinkSpeak, it crossed 411. Okay, 411. Yeah, here it came. So ThinkSpeak alert, and this is a Google Sheet appending, and email alert came, and the Telegram alert came.
Alert, alcohol level high 411.
It is AI generated voice. Okay, and this is our web sheet. Google. Okay. So now alcohol is safe. Okay, alcohol is safe. So once again press reset button. Smart alcohol detector using ESP32 and MQ3 alcohol sensor, n8n automation, Wi-Fi connected, alcohol 83, normal mode, power supply, MQ3 alcohol sensor, ESP32 AI thinker board, 16 cross 2 LC display, alarm, and red LED, green LED. And this is our block diagram of the project. And this is our flow chart, workflow, n8n workflow, webhook, edit fields, send a message of Telegram, ThinkSpeak, Google Sheet appending. If temperature, if alcohol crossed set point, send Gmail alert, and AI agent create a voice and it sent to the voice telegram alert. Okay, now I am giving the alcohol. Alcohol alert above 410. Now it is sending the data here. Yeah, alcohol 410. Here alcohol 410, alcohol detected. Email alert came above alcohol detected 410, and here it will come voice alert also.
Alert, alert, alcohol level high 410. Take immediate action.
And this is our flow chart, and here I created AI agent.